What? What the fuck? Not this shit again! No!
And here I thought you said your teleportation is okay.
My chaos control is okay. I keep saying, let's use chaos control. You said no, let's use the sailor teleportation. I'm like, fine.
Oh, don't put that on me!
Hey, don't put it on me.
You're the one that
right?
insisted.
You're the one who kept asking me.
Because I don't want to end up here again, but no matter what happens, I'm still here. This ain't the first time I showed up here.
It isn't the first time too. Oh god, yep. Okay, that's new. I'm getting PTSD flashbacks.
Oh my god. Come on. Raw backbone. I don't think anything could be worse here.
Try almost
Not gonna
become...
I jinxed it.
Yeah, you did.
At least he's eating EXE. You can do that, I don't care.
I don't care, it's still gross. He's not the first one I've seen devour an EXE. At least...
You're talking about Excidier.
Yeah, at least Excidier knows how to clean himself up.
Jeez, you got more taller and more uglier.
Didn't expect to see the both of you.
6 foot rule, buddy.
Alright, what do you want, period, man? Why are we here?
I don't give a shit! Anyways.
Anyway, what brings you both here?
I don't know, you tell us. Is it because it's your time of the month? Come on, I had to.
I know. Okay, that cheered me up a little.
Yeah, bring me with you next time you show up here. Anyway, so, what do you want?
Similar are what you usually go for. But
she has someone to be protected this time, so
satisfied.
Back away, buddy. Shoo.
That's what you think. Remember when I mentioned a specific robot?
Furnace. So that's him. Whatever
Furnace?
that. Oh shit.
Huh? Maybe he's asleep.
Like you fucking think a robot can fall asleep.
He's asleep, Mo, you idiot.
Bonk, 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 bonk.
I wouldn't go near that.
Yeah, it's either in sleep mode or it's probably damaged and tired of his crap. I wouldn't blame him.
Or he's ignoring you, bitch ass.
That works too.
The face! It always gets me. What?
Uh-oh.
Just give it a bit.
Yeah, we'll give it a bit. I mean, we should be okay. Well, we should have just left. What?
Now,
Why do I feel like it's looking at me? I'm getting an
it's looking at
uncomfortable
me.
feeling again.
get over here. Introducing my finest creation, Furnace.
A very warped metal
Bye.
Sonic.
Probably just a simple metal Sonic. I'm just doing this just to amuse them.
Yeah, sorry, just... I smell more than just smoke coming out of it.
Show 'em what you've got. Burn them.
Okay, I think this is the moment we're supposed to dodge, right?
Agreed. Whoa!
Yep. Gee, don't
Whoa.
burn the base.
Damn. Ah!
Wait a second, I got an idea. Furnace, over here!
Ah! Hey!
Miss me!
Get your mouth off of him!
Yeah!
Plus, he's
I
a
am
taken man. Leave him alone.
You took it from me.
What?
Don't just stand there. Speed over to them. Make sure there's nothing left.
How are you gonna eat?
No. Triple lightning strike! Oh, good. He's not immune to it. Ew. It looks like he's not immune to lightning. Stay away from me. Stay away. And don't touch my staff again.
Just don't touch it.
Oh, okay. That was just a robot head.
Turns out he ain't too durable.
Oh. Got a Thunder's lightning strike.
I'm good.
Oh. I must have missed the part where he ate a Sonic.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Chaos ability is not an option.
Son of a bitch!
Just don't worry about it. Just keep fighting. Use what you got. Yeah. I'll take one of those hands.
At least I could be able to... And I'll take that one. And...
Aim it at him.
Back off. Ugh. Oh.
Furnace,
Or that did.
use your
Or that didn't work.
potential.
What is it? Huh?
Well, you see, Furnace here, he's faster than the speed of light itself.
Seems like a competition for me.
Competition for the balls.
Really?
Really? You know what? Triple lightning strike for that. Ah! God damn it! You threw my aim off, Furnace. What the hell's wrong with you?
He's supposed to.
Boy, I was being sarcastic.
Are you gonna help your friend, or are you just gonna sit there?
Psha!
Oh, I am.
Psha! Anyways, where was I? Oh yeah, triple lightning strike.
Oh, and whilst I went away, studying how to use that lightning, I made myself clothes.
Son of a bitch, he's immune to lightning. Fuck!
Yeah, well, he's not immune to this. Knock, knock.
This ain't no time for games. You're
Come
just
on,
like
play along.
me.
Come on! Why not a little knock-knock joke? Come on. That's something for fun, right?
Hang on. Whoa! Hang on, got a good one. Why did Starve cross the road?
To get run over by ketchup.
No, to look for the other chicken, which there is none.
Avocado, fuckers.
Pah! Net shot! Oh, he doesn't have any. Fuck!
You really
Wait.
Whoa, whoa.
Now, go after your maker.
this. You're retarded at something, aren't you?
What? No. With the press of a button, he'll slap you.
Won't do that.
Okay, maybe my technology is not advanced.
Ah!
Like your
At least I can
Huh?
stun
Wait.
him a bit. Huh? What's wrong?
Stun him as much as you can. I'm gonna break this wall down. Found a weak spot.
I don't know why you didn't find that last time.
Hurry! Hurry!
I can't hold on.
You know what? Dragon, let's go!
All right, go.
Ah!
Alright, we're out of there. Don't worry, Peace. Hang on tight.
target locked.
Ah, great. Well, the hard way it is. Well, turns out that bucket of balls is nuts after all. Yo, Star! Give it up yet? Peace, hold on. let's get out of here.
Ugh, these guys are relentless.
Seriously, not even my lightning ability was able to stop him for too long.
There is one thing I can do. This is a one-time thing. Transfer your chaos energy to mine.
One moment. Come on.
Alright, I got it from here. Sorry about this.
Wait, what? Ah!
You can fly, remember?
Now I can.
Alright. Let's get to work. At least you're still floating.
For the time being, yeah.
Let's go back. Let's head back to the headquarters.
Right.
I think we should finish this off with style.
Right.
Meet us back! I got the bucket head.
Alright, period faces mine then. Remember what I'm capable of. No, alright, I had enough of this bullshit. For somebody that defiles life, you will be punished for it severely. Take another step, I dare you.
Don't give him chances.
I don't intend to. Holy Rain Blinding Form, go! No.
Attempts flawless, but I return.
Not when you face against the Angel of Life.
I'll take that.
And one more for the road. Just to verify. Holy blast.
Don't kill him. Let him be.
It'll just heavily injure him. I have no intentions of killing. Furnace, on the other hand, looks like you already did that. What was that?
I thought these were a mess. Wisdom.
Let's see.
One of the wisdom stones from my homeworld.
Surprised that a stone like that from your world would have been put into that.
They're scattered around any world. This ain't the only one either. There's 4 of these.
4, you say?
I don't really ask much anymore. I don't know if the others are up for it as well. Would you like to assist me?
I'll do what I can to be able to help you out. Let me power out of this.
Some reason. What? My super form acted different. Like I was reborn.
That is quite strange, indeed. Anyways, let me get out of this. Sorry, just... I always get that weird feeling whenever I exit out of that form.
Woozy?
Nah. It's more like I got shivers up my spine a little bit.
I'm not gonna harm it. I'm just giving the energy back.
Oh. Yeah, well, I don't think it's chaos energy related though, because the Angel of Life has no connection with any of my chaos energy.
That be what happened?
Maybe all I did was just I gave you my chaos energy. That's all I gave you. I don't know if maybe some of my life energy may have slipped into it.
I must have gave that back to you. I don't need that. I don't need that energy to begin with.
Well,
It's not about
regardless of,
power.
I know, but regardless of how much I've given you, it's always been like that ever since I reunited with Azrael. Every time I switch into it, and then when I get out of it, I always feel a shiver down my spine as if pretty much from what I can tell, I feel like I'm a totally, completely different person. But yet I have full control.
Now that I'm looking at this stone, it's red. And red resembles my courage form. How could something like that be in him?
I have no idea.
No wonder I felt something familiar.
Well,
We should go.
yeah, best we do get out of here before Big, Tall, and Ugly
Before we
decides
do.
he's gonna wake up.
Just... Let me just bottle of ketchup for you. Good luck next time. Let's go.
Alright.
As for you, here's some charcoal. Alright. At least this ring's open.
Oh yeah. Please get us to somewhere safe.
VRChat logic in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Called it!
It's snowing in hell! Not again! Ay.
Well, at least our teleportation's open. I'm driving this time.
Yes, please.
Still blame you. Do you want to go home?
Yes.
Good girl. Alright. Come on. Just messing with you. Alright. Chaos control!
Anyway, so how the fuck did we get back here? Boy. Jeez, don't die from a burp, boy! Breathe!
I deserve that. Your fault.
Why?
What I mean is something like this.
Because Dragon's sick of this shit.
I'm sick of this shit, too!
You see on my hand?
He's sick of using chaos control, so hoping Piece's teleportation doesn't fuck up. And I'll say during the recording, I fully blame you.
Why me? Why are you blaming me?
Who drove?
Okay, that works then.
You asked.
He's just standing.
Hi.
Could have said no.
Oh, boy! Oh,
no!
no, Sweet Home Alabama,
We
no!
ain't doing no- Fuck.
So
That's-
incest is not going to be a thing. Okay.
I just probably do is hack it.
Oh, pause.
Indicator.
Wait.
Ow. I hit the table. I hit my head
Oh,
on the table.
Welcome to VR, Cookie!
Congratulations, you get the achievement first head concussion. Know that you hit your head on the fucking table or whatever the fuck.
So Cookie, question. How did it feel for the first time you actually hit something I wrote when you're on VR?
I wouldn't risk it anymore, Cookie.
Yeah.
I blame you. It's your fault. Anyway.
You're the one that moved!
Also, by the way, with this, yes, it is EAC's head, because they couldn't model an actual Sonic head, so just roll with it.
Got it.
Okay, now, okay, I'm gonna...
It's the OG one. Then.
Alright, now I'm gonna land like this. I guess I was in this position.
Get your dick on my face! Anyway. Oh my god, the face! Mike, do it again, look!
Hashtag Starved Eggman and Furnace, ladies and gents.
That may be a creepy avatar, but that was fucking funny! Oh no, put that back. Put it back.
Put it back,
No.
Mike.
No. Put it back.
Thank you.
There you go. Thank you. Anyway.
Meanwhile,
let's do
I'm
this
being
again.
burned. As soon as right now, just waiting for Cookie.
Okay,
Three.
I'm waiting for you.
Taco Bell.
All right.
Cut.
Fuckers
Alrighty.
left without saying goodbye.
Now to pray.
Mike, switch.
How'd I do?
Good.
You did awesome. Where is the prey? There you are.
Alright.
There we go.
Okay. Moving platform, seizure warning.
And it hasn't shown on my side, but let me work. Okay, there we go. All right, here we go.
Okay, what are we
Mike, change.
Whew.
We're doing pray now.
Alright, so
Back up a little bit. There.
Mike!
Get out of the camera, you period man!
You get out of the camera! You out of the camera!
Man, I force women to go on their period with a simple strap.
Go
God damn
next
it!
to
Dragon,
go
where's
next
my
to- go
chocolate?
next
Just
to-
kidding. I'm sorry.
Wow.
Sorry.
Alright, Mike, go next to Cookie.
I'm sorry.
Hashtag Peace Drops Chocolate. Anyway, you ready? Uh-oh. He's really
Oh, yep. Yeah, he's... Oh. Well, Starve's dead.
Damn.
All right, we won.
what? Look, no,
Yay,
you still got first.
I got one.
I got
Okay.
first, bitch.
Let me invite him.
Oh, he's
I'll
back.
be right back real quickly. I need to get a drink.
All right, you do that. Thankfully, my brain is getting used to this movement.
Oh god, look down. You sit down.
It's a void.
Oh, there's my drink. I found it. It was rolling. Fuck.
Okay. Yeah, Dragon went to go grab a
Also, my
drink.
shit-
You doing okay there, Mike?
My internet hates me.
Oof. All right. Anyways, go ahead and get back into your egg carrier.
Give me my egg cup.
Yeah,
Whatever.
that too. And as soon as Dragon's done playing Roadkill, then we'll get back to business and do the last part.
Okay. All right. What? Ow! I'm trying to open my drink and I can't.
Oof.
Hold on.
Would you stop teabagging,
Got
Mike?
it.
Come on.
You're gay!
I know he wants. Listen, I know Mike wants his own blooper compilation, but he didn't have to do it that way.
He's not getting it.
You mean compilation? That's what it's pronounced, compilation.
Compilation, compilation, tomato.
I'm still waiting for the compilation of you just being scared.
Get your bitch asses over here!
Me
Would
being
you hold on
scared
a minute?
because I got another recording that I need to do after this. Oh, let me check my battery real quick.
Clear content.
Okay. You're petting my face. Get your hand out of my face!
Anyway.
Let me just get my headset plugged in real fast.
So you know, I hurt my hand again.
Oh, would you stop hurting yourself, Cookie?
Jesus Christ. Anyway. You know what?
I blame Dragon.
Anyways.
That worked. Alright. 3. Never mind, it didn't work. Hold on. Alright, it worked. Hit the floor. 3.